friends, welcome back to Healthy Samayal. Today let's prepare SCHEZWAN veg noodles, which is very simple and best recipe for working women. Boil the water, add few drops of oil, add hakka noodles. By adding few drops of oil, hakka noodles does not stick to each other. Mix them. Let it rest for 5 minutes. Don't overcook these noodles. Drain the excess water and add few drops of oil on the top and gently mix them so that oil coats well to each and every noodles. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add veggies as per your taste such as beans, carrot, capsicum, salt to taste, half tablespoon of pepper powder. Toss them for few minutes. Don't overcook the vegetables. It should be always crunchy in the noodles. Add 1 tablespoon of homemade SCHEZWAN sauce. It is very easy to make this recipe. You can even store it for 3 months in refrigerator without adding any preservatives. Check out the description for SCHEZWAN sauce recipe. Now add noodles into this veggies. Now mix them very gently. Now our veg SCHEZWAN noodles is ready. It is very simple to make this SCHEZWAN noodles with SCHEZWAN sauce. So friends, make the SCHEZWAN sauce and keep it ready at your home. You can instantly use it in any preparations such as chicken, noodles, Manchurian and etc. Be connected to Healthy Samayal. Thank you.